Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2015 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to start on the driver's side, looking over the panels for any signs of dents, dings, scratches. Nice chrome accent there, as well as the doors and the window trim. Really kind of sets off this mocha brown color. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, looks really nice. A couple real thin little scratches there, nothing major. And we'll finish up on the passenger side. Pardon some of the dirt and the construction next door. Still have lots of tread left on the tires. Looking at the interior now, you do have full power for the driver's seat. It's a nice hybrid cloth leather type seating surface. You do have 34,348 is your current mileage. XM satellite radio, AM FM, CD, dual climate control. It does have heated seats. Now this is the push button start with the remote. All of your power ports very easily to get to there for the driver and front seat passenger. Then all the flooring surfaces will be black. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seats there. Lots of leg room back here. You do have an additional power port down here for those back seat passengers. Taking a look in the trunk, lots of trunk space. There is a Husky liner in here. One more look at the back seat from the passenger side. There's an armrest back here for a little added comfort. Taking one last look from the passenger side. We'll take one more look around. And that'll wrap up your 2015 Hyundai Sonata.